In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Wati.io in just 5 minutes. Wati.io is an excellent platform for customer communication automation, especially if you're looking to enhance interactions through channels like WhatsApp and other social media services. Let's begin our setup journey. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for the Wati.io website. Once you've found it, look for the Try for Free button. This is a great option to explore the platform and see all the features you can take advantage of. Now, when it comes to signing up, Wati offers flexibility. You can either sign up using your email, or if you want to save some time, you can use your existing Google or Facebook account. This seamless sign-up process makes it easy to start exploring right away without creating a brand new account from scratch. Once you've signed up, Wati will ask for some initial information to tailor your account. You'll be prompted to share what industry you're in and the website of your company. These details help to personalize your experience and tailor the platform to suit your business needs more effectively. To unleash the full capabilities of your Wati account, you'll need to connect your phone number. This step is crucial because it allows you to start sending messages and engaging with your customers through the platform. Simply follow the instructions provided to link your number, ensuring it's done securely. Next, it's time to delve into integrations. Go to the More Options section, and from there, select Integration. Wati offers various integrations, allowing you to connect your account to popular services like Shopify, WhatsApp, and Facebook. Integrating these services can streamline your workflow, making it a lot easier to manage customer communications all in one place. Finally, to fully utilize Wati's customer engagement capabilities, navigate to the Automation section. This is where you can build your first WhatsApp chatbot. Wati provides an intuitive builder that makes setting up a chatbot a straightforward process. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to configure your chatbot according to your business requirements, and you'll be ready to offer automated customer support or personalized marketing messages via WhatsApp. And there you have it, a comprehensive setup of your Wati.io account in just a few minutes. Following these steps will allow you to make the most out of Wati's powerful features and enhance your business's communication strategy. Whether you're looking to engage customers more effectively or streamline processes, Wati has plenty to offer. Now go ahead and explore all the possibilities that Wati.io has to offer for your business.